Dude, why do you have your Odyssey out? Oh!
Oh, where is Mama gonna sit? Right there? Oh, okay.
Oh my god, you're pregnant. Oh my god, congrats. Are you hungry? Are you hungry, little lady? Yeah, you hungry?
Hey, buddy, I can't let you outside.
Who's the most beautiful girl in the room?
You?
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures.
Say mama. You say mama. Oh, good girl.
Hey, show me your pretty nails. Ooh.
Good morning. Good morning.
Chicken, you're on a diet, bud. 'Cause you're too fat. I know.
You're a cat. How do you even understand what I'm saying? Oh my gosh. Okay.
Are you saying I might actually have something to offer this investigation?
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
Go commit crimes. No, not that one. Not that one.
What? What? Is your food bowl empty?
Can you hold on?
How much more of a circle can you be?
Alright, good night, Gally. Alright, Mac. Good night, Bob.
Simba, if you love me, move your leg 2 times.